guys, Eric here again with another quick video. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's talk about blogs. Let's take a look at this website here I've got, One Star Guitar Lessons. If I go to the blog section here, you're going to notice that it's on the recent posts here. And I see the word blog there, but there's really nothing here. There's no content there. So what I want to do is change that up. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's head over to appearances. Let's go to customize. Head over to the home page settings, and you'll notice here the home page is set up as a static page, but post page, there's nothing there right now. Post page, and we're going to go to blog. Let's publish that. And this will fix your problem right away. Let's go back and visit the site. I'm going to click on blog, and there they are there. There are your blog postings there. So that's how you change that up if you want to see and make sure that your blogs are being posted, and you're setting that up through customizing it. Thanks again, guys, for watching. See you real soon.